Why do 70% of adults over 45 worry about their financial future? I used to be one of them, until I discovered a game changer. Over 45 and stressed about money? I was too. I had no savings, no plan, and retirement felt impossible. Every day I was haunted by the ticking clock and the empty wallet. But then, I stumbled upon a breakthrough, a simple 2-hour-a-day online business. Imagine this: no tech skills required, no need to show my face, just a genuine way to build an income from the comfort of home. Picture yourself sipping a morning coffee, laptop open, feeling hopeful instead of hopeless. I know it sounds too good to be true, but believe me, it works. I went from feeling stuck and stressed to having a real plan for my future. Now I can finally breathe easy and enjoy life, whether I'm at the beach or just relaxing at home. If you feel stuck like I did, you're not alone. There is a way out. Comment freedom below, and I'll show you exactly how you can start your journey to financial independence. You deserve it. Don't wait, take the first step today. Comment freedom, and let's do this together. You've got this.